and today I'm demonstrating my RAG chatbot project for the Ed2 course in generative AI. This is an Amazon EAR on EKS intelligent consultant, and it's built using RAG tech using the two official AWS documentation PDFs as the knowledge base. So let me show you the interface. On the left, we have the conversation window. Here's the input box here, and I can type question. And on the right side, you can see the sidebar with information about the assistant and example questions. So let me demonstrate the first question. So let me ask basic question: what is a Amazon EMR on EKS? So if you click this, it will automatically fill in your question box if you want to try out these examples. And you click send. And let's wait. You can see it is processing 5 seconds. Okay. So concise answers, detailed explanation, and best practice recommendations in a tabular form, documentation, further reading. Okay, so as you can see, the assistant provides a clear professional explanation of what Amazon EMR on EKS is, including its key features and benefits, also in tabular form. Let me try a second one. So now let me ask a more technical question. How do I create a virtual cluster in EMR on EKS? So send. Let's see. Okay. So okay, the assistant provides step-by-step instruction. So you notice that how it structure the answers with clear sections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also some best practice recommendations. They're very professional and practical. Okay, also with the relevant documentation in the reference section. Let me try it out. The third question. Let me see, for example, this one. Okay, so what IAM permissions are required for EMR on EKS? Okay, the chatbot thinking. Okay. All right, maybe because okay, let me see the concise answer. So the system retrieves specific permission detail from the API reference documentation. Then they show the RG system is working correctly, but although the output is kind of not so appealing because of this constraint, how to say, the format is kind of too skewed, especially for the first column. So this is what we can improve if possible. I'm not sure, but basically it provides all the details from the API documentation, which is one of the documentation we use as the RAG databases. So that's it. And behind these scenes, the system used the so-called FAISS vector database, and with embedding gamma for document retrieval. And when you ask a question, it searches through all the one. In my case, there are 2 documents and 1,743 documents chunks from the official AWS documentation, retrieves the top 5 most relevant chunks, and use Groq's language model to generate accurate, context-aware responses. So the character design here. So the chatbot is designed as an AWS cloud architecture consultant specializing in EMR on ECAS. It provides professional yet friendly responses with clear structures, always starting with key points, then detailed explanation and best practice recommendations. So this project demonstrates a complete RAG pipeline from PDF documents to an interactive chatbot. The system successfully combines document retrieval with language generation to provide accurate, helpful responses about EMR on ECAS. Thank you for watching.